Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign doon sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the Noipits was established? Las Vegas.
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December. Oh, December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto Oh, ba't tumatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you were signed. Now, yung Noipits was established December of 2021. So, ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin? You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I bet you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. Oh, yung expense mo lahat-lahat. Oh, who are those Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino nga?
Calonzo. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
Oh, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
Oh, nga, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
In where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
O, yung Noipits, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umpisa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021. December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Sa Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, opo.
Oh, please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023,
2023,
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the US? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor, that is a taxable. If that is the gross amount of the salary that
Yung
is
ba
getting-
yung buong amount o yun yung take home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000.
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po
Okay.
pinapapasa.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified on that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr.
Suarez.
Chair.
Please proceed.
Okay,
we have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I am the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
Never.
No.
Never,
No,
never.
sir,
Okay.
sa finance.
Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, basically, nabawas yung... anyway. Meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige. Gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500
Your
square
Honor.
meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam?
Yung
Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected po,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course, you
Your
will not
Mr.
deny. You will deny it. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not
Oh, yeah,
true, Mr.
I
Chair.
know. I know that he denied it. Of
And
course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area, and it was converted. That's why they were able to have a property from that place. Dati akong committee chairman ng ecology, and I know that. Anyway, so Mr. Chairman, for the meantime, lastly, Mr. Chairman, sa PCSO, ito na. PCSO, who is handling those money that are being given by the PCSO to certain foundations, like the STL Foundation? Sino? Anong department ninyo sa PCSO? Ma'am, please.
I believe it's the Accounting and Budget Department.
The
The Accounting and Budget Department.
accounting. Who is the accounting budget officer? Ano
She's
name?
here.
Sige ma'am, please. Yes, please answer.
Yeah, good morning po.
About doon po sa pera ng PCSO na dinala sa foundation ng STL that was given to Mandawi through the STL party list.
Per our records po, meron po kaming binigay sa Mandawi City in the amount of 2 million para po doon sa typhoon victim
Yes.
ng Odette.
Yeah, at ang nagdala ay si STL Party List Ibon Barondog.
Wala po akong alam kung sino
Hindi
po
nga,
ang
can you
nagdala.
kindly tell us, can you kindly submit to us all the money that was transferred from PCSO to the STL Foundation? Can you do that?
Titingnan ko po sa record namin.
Oh, tingnan nyo sa record,
Yes,
no?
and I will submit po. kung
Okay,
meron
submit to
kami.
us a certified copy of that transfer of money, to the STL Foundation.
Yes po,
Okay?
Your Honor.
So, we'll be expecting that, And, for now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna. At I'll be asking questions in
Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you,
In a while.
Congressman
Thank you
Fernandez.
so much, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
With the indulgence of Congressman
Okay, Congressman Paduano.
Chairman Akop. Colonel Villela, gusto ko lang balikan po. Eto last na lang to, Colonel kasi pag nagsinungaling ka, lalabas na lang sinungaling ka. Eto so magkano talaga 8,000 ba galing dito? Yung salary mo?
Mahigit pa ho, Your Honor, kasi yung sahod ko pa ho as colonel dito, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung payslip mo, mayroon ka?
Meron naman po kami lahat.
So what is your gross? Gross? 8,000 US?
Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano
po.
nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
plus sahod.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Kami dito sa Congress, we are just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod ko po as Colonel.
Magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa iyo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga,
Sinasama po
magkano, Colonel? Tinatanong kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14,000.
14 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa iyo.
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
$8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? O so magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, doon po sa sahod ko as Colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
the Director for the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
Who is that director?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami.
Pag-alis ko po,
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? But you're talking to Grijaldo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
hindi ko na...
Eto Colonel last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam? Or you just evading because papatawag
No, Your
namin siya?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall,
O
Your
yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor.
General,
Major General Morico, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development. Your
O, papatawag natin siya. Kaya mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as attaché. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall?
Pandemic.
Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde, nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde, sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned sa
LA, Your Honor.
as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan naging linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ikaw, Villela, pati si General Albayalde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na, kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Madali,
Yes.
ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya eh. That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali, please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will sign your document? 2019, retire na siya. You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magkiklear pa po yan, they have to give their credentials and all.
Okay, we'll take in, sir,
Mr. Chairman.
Albayalde will take in. Now, question, balik ko lang, sino? Hindi mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo tinignan kung sinong pumirma, sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon. Hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang tinatanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing naging DI, Your Honor, that time. And
Anyway, sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela.
naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor. Major General Agustin, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. Mr. Chairman, I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair.
Comsec, please take note of the to be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think we have with us today Gerald Benji Acorda, who also headed yung Directorate for Investigation. May I be allowed to ask some questions?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Acorda, you were assigned with DI, Directorate for Intelligence, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga sweldo ng ating mga attaché, police attaché, dumadaan sa DI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba may diplomatic pouch yun na ipinapadala natin sa US kung saan naka-assign si Colonel Villela.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sweldo at saka MOE nila.
Yes, Your
Now,
Honor.
General Acorda, pwedeng dagdagan yun, di po ba?
To my understanding, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Hindi naman Hindi naman perfect yung kwan na yun eh. Sistema na yun. Dinadagdag ninyo kung may pinapadala doon sa kanila na extra. Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor, especially if there are some special occasions or visits and additional expenses that are incurred by our police attaché, Your Honor.
Maski personal na padala, po pwede. Would that be correct?
Personal, Your Honor, may I be allowed to check with our finance officer sa DI nun, Your Honor, kasi medyo hindi po ako lumaki sa controller and budget.
Nandiyan ba sa iyo? Kasama mo ba?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I must be candid.
Pero nangyayari yon. Would you also agree, General Albayalde?
I have no knowledge on that, sir. I was never assigned in the DI at never assigned in Krame, sir.
But
Hindi
you
ko
became
po.
the Chief PNP, right? Kung
Yeah.
ako nga na hindi naging Chief PNP, alam ko eh. Bakit hindi nyo alam?
Probably personal, sir. Hindi ko po alam, but I'm not privy on that, sir. Kung meron po talagang nangyaring ganun.
Colonel Villela, meron bang pagkakataon na hindi lang yung sweldo mo ang natatanggap mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kanino galing yung hindi kasama sa sweldo mo at saka MOE na natatanggap mo through the diplomatic pouch ng Directorate for Intelligence?
Yung sahod ko po na dito, Your Honor.
Yung sahod mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And magkano po yung sahod mo noon in terms of pesos?
120,000, Your Honor.
120,000. Mr. Chair, may I request the presence of Police Captain Anova here as a resource person?
Is Captain Anova present?
Do you know Police Captain Anova, Colonel Villela?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Madam Garma, do you know also Police Captain Anova?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chair.
And who is Police Captain Anova to you, Colonel Villela?
When he was PNCO, Your Honor, lagi pong nagtatambay sa akin, Your Honor. Lagi ko pong nauutusan ng errand, Your Honor.
Nauutusan ng errand. Nung
Opo,
siya po ay hindi pa opisyal. Tama
Yes,
po?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was he ever assigned as your driver?
No, Your Honor.
No. Pero hindi siya, yung mga errands, siya ang inutusan ninyo.
Pag may pagkakataon po siya, Your Honor.
Yes. Ang
Yes.
tanong ko lang naman kung nautusan mo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Madam Karma, was there ever an occasion na inutusan mo rin si Police Captain Anova?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
Ano
Your
po
Honor.
yung utos nyo sa kanya?
Mag-renew po nung LTAP ko sa firearms po.
Maglinis ng?
Hindi, yung sa LTAP ko po sa firearms. Siya
LTAP
po,
sa firearms.
nautusan ko siya.
Siguruhin nyo yung sagot nyo, ha? Nauutusan nyo siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, can we take the oath of Captain Anuba, please?
Sige, Comsec, please administer his oath.
Mr. Nova, do you